What's up, guys? I'm Nick, and this is Build Dad Build, a place where we believe the right tool for the job is the biggest, loudest, grindiest mother. Alright guys, this week we're talking about my new favorite tool. It's supposed to be plugged in. This, for those of you that don't know, is called
the Restorer.
This thing's an absolute beast when it comes to removing anything. Paint, rust, skin.
If that's your thing.
It rubs the lotion on its skin or else it gets the hose again.
And let me just say this. Very infrequently do I buy a tool, get the tool, and it goes beyond my expectations. That just rarely happens. But the Restorer, still not plugged in. This
is amazing.
I paid for this tool with my own money, and once I received it, it was so good that I contacted the creator, the company, and I asked them if I could be an affiliate of theirs, which is, if you guys know anything about this, it's not the way it works. Normally I contact a company, I say, hey, send me something, and not the other way around. But this tool impressed me so much that I reached out to Restorer Tools and asked them to be in their affiliate program. What's that mean for you? That means that after you see this beast in action, if you want to buy one of your own, I will put a link down below. Use my promo code BuildDadBuild for 10% off your order. And you guys know that I deal with a lot of Shishugi Bond, burnt wood finish type stuff. So that is the reason I bought this, and it makes my life a whole lot easier. To remove char with this brush right here. I now use it with a brush that's about 5 times as wide and has a lot more power. But this thing is good for more than that. You can buy a wire brush that goes on there if you're doing like rust removal. We've got a paint remover that comes with it. You can put different grits of sandpaper on this drum and run it like a sander. It is insanity.
I love this so much.
It sits in between my wife and I when I go to bed at night.
Yep, I said it.
So we're gonna take it through its paces today. I, of course, am gonna burn a piece of wood and then remove the char like that. It's amazing. But I just happen to have a little treat here as well. My axe throwing target has finally died. So I have one of the 2x4s that I had on there. So this is paint. And then the rest of this is just weathering from being outside. So we're gonna be able to take the different wheels and come in here and, you know, clean it up, tear it out.
Do all sorts of nasty stuff.
But first, how do you like your wood?
I like mine extra crispy.
All right, while that cools, I'm gonna get this locked up in the vise and we'll get to work. Okay, so far the nylon brush takes off material the fastest, but it does leave some texture behind. This guy was a little slower, but that's probably the smoothest out of the 3. So this probably leaves the smoothest finish, and then this, I mean, it's doing the job, it's sanding, but it's sanding at 60 grit. So, I mean, you can imagine what that feels like. So the next test is, my wife bought a dresser, and it already has finish on it, but she wants to strip that off because she wants to paint it or stain it. She hasn't decided yet. So I'm gonna go grab that, and then we're gonna go over it. Probably not with this guy. I don't know if you noticed or not, but when you're using the nylon brush, it takes off material fast. I don't know how much of that you can see because it's kind of bright out here, but this thing's seen better days. I mean, there's some dings, dents. We definitely need to take this down to the wood. So, what do you think?
Paint remover.
nothing like a good piece of hickory.
There's nothing like a nice piece of hickory.
It's not hickory. Douglas fir. Since a lot of you guys I know do.
I said doo-doo.
You do Shishugibon or burnt wood finishes. I'm not gonna speed this up. I'm gonna do it real time, just so you can see how quickly we can go through the char. Done. Okay, seriously, I'm not even gonna sit here and tell you how good that thing is again. I'm gonna let the results speak for themselves. What was that, 5 passes? Are you kidding me with that? Look at that. It's freaking amazing. Not to mention the other stuff we can do. Just for Shishugibon, I am sold and sold again. I might get another one so I can have one on either side of me when I sleep.
Yep. I said it.
Anyway, you guys tell me what you think in the comments down below. And remember, if you're like me and you're a coffee slut, merch link in description. Or, if you're one of these bad boys, cha-ching! Check out my store down below. Alright guys, thanks for coming along for the ride. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to see more reviews, subscribe. And until next time, thanks for playing. And now I gotta get to work. It isn't, why am I floating out of focus? Focus on me, bitch.